Now let's see the function random number. The command is rand, and you can use it as a 16-bit function, or if you add the d at the beginning of the function, and that will be representing the double word, then you will be using the 32-bit function. Also, you can use it as the option as poles. If you add the p at the end of the function command, then it's going to this function is going to be run only for one scan cycle of your PLC. And as for the operands, you have S1 and S2. So this function is going to give you a number between these two values. Let's say that you set up S1 to be 1 and S2 to be 10. Then the function is going to give you any number between those numbers, and the number is going to be stored in D. And for D, you can use a register, a counter, a timer, or these contactors too, or these outputs. Okay, so let's see an example. So in ISPsoft, I made up this run, and with the instruction with the 16-bit instruction, and the one is being activated by X20. So let's compile that program and download it to our PLC. I tried to use this function using the simulator. I went on device communication manager, the PLC, the ISP's communication manager. I made up a simulator, but it didn't work. I tried to run it, didn't work. So in order to run it, you have to run it on a physical PLC. You cannot use the simulator. Okay, so I already downloaded, and then whenever I press X20, the function is going to be executed. So let's set up a couple of ranges. So let's say that between a number between 1, and let's set up the 10 to be 10. So the function is going to give us a number between 1 and 10 whenever we press X20. So let's press it, and it generates a number. Press it again, generate another. So something that you have to notice is let's say that I keep pressing the X20. If I keep pressing the X20, the function is going to be executed for every scan cycle of your PLC. So we're talking at the ranges of a couple hundreds a second. So if you only want to generate one random number, just one, you can use you can add the p at the end in order to use this function and its pulse function. So let me add to the function the letter p. Click OK. It's going to generate it down here. I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to compile and download it to the PLC. And I'm going to go online. So by doing that, whenever I press X20, this function is going to be executed only once. So let me set up a couple some values here between 1 and 100. Any number between 1 and 100. And let's press X20. See, it only generated one number. So if I depress the button, then I press it again, it's going to generate another number. So I depress it. So there you go. So only by using the p at the end, then you can generate one number for every time this function is being activated. So otherwise, it's going to start whenever this function is being activated. It's going to generate one number for every scan, one number for every scan. So a non-stop. so it won't stop. So now let's say that you want to generate, because the 16-bit function, I think it can work between the ranges between 32,000 and positive or negative. So if you want to get a number greater than that, then you can use the function as in its 32-bit option. So for that, let me go offline, and I'm going to add the letter D at the beginning of the function. So D. So that's a double word. That's a random number, and it's going to use the pulse option. So only for one scan. So let's test it. So let me compile and download to the PLC. Okay, and I'm going to go online. So I'm going to change the value. So I'm going to use the value of 32 bits, and let's do a number between 1 million and between 1 million and 10 million. Okay, so 32. And for the D, you set up to give you a 32-bit number. There you go. And I'm going to set a value of 0. There you go. So whenever I press X, it's going to generate you any number between 1 million and 10 million. There you go. And that's how this function works. Yeah, I think that's all. Okay, thank you.